So this is the little puzzle toy I got the dogs for Christmas. Chanel already pretty much is an expert on it. She already opened one up right here, as you can see. Let's see if I can catch her opening another. Someone's tired. Okay. Look at her just sitting there. Why are you always barking? So I'm just gonna wait until she gets it done. And Coco's right over there. I just put dog food in there, so. Oh, there we go. Oh, that one's empty? Let's see. Coco's been getting the hang of it too. You see her moving it around? There we go. She got it. It took her longer to figure it out than Josie and Chanel. I think Josie wants the attention. What? What is it? You see, Coco got it. Oh, there we